Oh, pianos, yeah. Oh. So you gonna bounce them out?
No. Does anybody want this lighter here?
Yeah. I don't want to fire them all. Can you find it from the door? No, I'm just doing it. Fire. Okay, well give me one. Here's one. We need more fire source.
Dang it! Get out of the shot! Nice.
Kind of crappy one. I think I rotate the crappy one. There, you go.
Why, thank you. I'm sorry. Get my lighter back.
Out away from your body in case it ever blows through the bottom.
Yeah.
Are we all out? Wait. One more. Here. One more. It's like a Polaroid. Are you paranoid Ed's gonna lock us in?
I am now, you fuck. Alright, one more. Ready?
Shoot one straight up.
No, it'll fall on my hand again.
No, that'd be like do it like that. It's still at an angle. Oh, there's the seat.
No, that's how I got burned last night.
Fine. Now check out the smoke in here now. Oh, where's that laser coming? What? The laser.
Are you going to
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think that's it.
I think we should head back and make plans for the,
Up next, abandoned meat factory.
again.
Not too
What the?